And I know this truck doesn't look that big, but in person, like in video, but holy.
Howdy. What's up, partner?
Hey, man, what's
How
up?
we doing? What's wrong, officer?
Hey, I'm gonna need you to step out of the...
Gotta be a four-wheel drive now, Nate. I think so too.
Give her some peps.
Yeah, I'm in four-wheel drive.
Give her pepper, Nate, so you don't get stuck.
I'm in four-wheel drive now, so we're good. Yeah, where do you want me to go? Drive around?
Yeah, this drive.
Drive around.
Someone's driven back here.
Yeah. I really hope we don't get caught. Should I turn off my lights right now? I don't know.
Nah,
I mean, what would happen
you're
if we
fine.
got caught?
Trespassing. Let me spin around up here.
Yeah. I don't want you to go too far in, but
Yeah. Maybe, yeah, stop.
yeah, because it looks like someone did here too. Someone spun around like right here.
Yeah. Here, I'll get some video. We can just spin a real nice donut. But stay in four-wheel drive.
I don't really want to stop, so you better just hop out.
Okay. That's good. We can dip.
It doesn't help we have bald ass tires too.
Yeah, the right front tire is the only one grabbing.
Okay, let's get out of here. Once we get out of here, we'll change out to four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I just want to get out of here now. Yeah, no, shit. Well, we're in four-wheel drive.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, honestly, not gonna lie, if you go fast on these things, they're not bad. Oh, shit. We're gonna go slow. We're gonna go slow. When you get the pavement, you can switch it off. Right well, we'll pull in a parking lot. But we have to do this like little procedure. Shit, I can't see all the bumps or anything like that.
No man. She like the bud with the big old chains. Ride around town in the big old range. I knew it when I rap big old chains. Now the little doing big old things.